Yeah, yeah. Roots and culture from the western side of Fiji. This one is for my daughter, Rebecca Linda Ravubale. 13 years of blessing, but still missing you. Daddy loves you. Roll, Rebecca, my lovely daughter. My love for you I will never forget.
Never forget. No, no.
Today is your birthday. Oh, nanu mai koyani.
Thinking of you, yeah.
Te asone kuto aso fanau. Awe mafaufau kiakuye. Yeah.
Rebecca, my lovely daughter.
My girl.
My love for you I will never forget.
Forever, forever.
Though we're far, you're in my heart.
In my heart,
I'm thinking of you wherever you are.
wherever you are. Fiji calling. 1st of May 2013. That's the day you came to me. Little angel sent from heaven. You were my whole world to see. Now the years keep moving on. 13 candles shining bright. But the pain of being apart still keeps me awake at night. Asukuma evaleni bula elabasa. Atubuke ke Kiowa yanu yanu. Vanua Levu na Vanua dina. Nongo ya lewa, nongulo mani dina.
For long years we've been separated. Still I call out your name. Every prayer I send to heaven, hoping life will change again. Michael Ryan missing you, calling sister every day. From the west we send our love, though the distance makes us pray.
Rebecca, my lovely daughter. My love for you I will never forget. No, no. Today is your birthday. Oh, nanu mai koyani. Te asone ikoto aso fanau. Awe mafaufau kiakoe.
Sigani sutu vinaka no kugonyelewa. Aulomani iko vakalevu. Evana ya baki dave ya wakitu. Ia usena numi kogai. Papa, I hear you in my dreams. Your love is stronger than it seems. Even if we're far away, in my heart you'll always stay.
Rebecca, my lovely daughter.
Daughter, daughter, yeah, yeah.
My love for you I will never forget.
We'll never forget. No, 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 no.
Today is your birthday. Oh, nanu mai koyani.
Thinking of you,
Te
yeah.
asone ikoto aso fanau. Awe mafaufau kiakoe. Rebecca, my lovely daughter. My girl, my girl.
My love for you I will never forget.
Forever, forever. One day soon we'll meet again. Meet again, again. This love will never end. Never, ever, yeah, yeah. Rebecca Linda Ravubale. 13 years of blessing. From Labasa to Kiowa Island.